Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers on a Blackstone griddle. First, preheat your griddle to a medium-high temperature, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, select your ground beef. An 80/20 fat-to-lean ratio is ideal for maximum juiciness and flavor. Form your patties to be about 1/3 to 1/2 inch thick, making them slightly larger than your buns to account for shrinkage. Now let's get cooking. Lightly oil your hot griddle surface before carefully placing your burger patties. For that perfect diner-style burger, smash each patty once with a burger press or sturdy spatula immediately after placing it on the griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, aiming for a beautiful, deep brown crust. This initial sear locks in all those delicious juices. As your burgers near completion, it's time for the cheese. During the last minute of cooking, place a slice of your favorite cheese on each patty. Cover them with a basting dome to create steam, ensuring the cheese melts perfectly and evenly. Don't forget the buns. Lightly butter and toast them on the griddle for about 30 to 60 seconds until golden brown and slightly crispy. With your perfectly cooked patties and toasted buns ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully remove the burgers and buns from the griddle. Now, let your creativity shine. Add your favorite condiments like ketchup, mustard, or special sauce, and pile on fresh toppings such as lettuce, tomato, and pickles. Serve your delicious griddle burgers immediately and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.